Hello, welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. Today I'm going to open up these two boxes. One is my Essential Rewards order from Young Living, and the other is some things I'm going to use with my essential oils products from Amazon. Okay, so I cut open the boxes, and here they are. The first one is from Sally Organics. I got two of these spray bottles. They're glass with plastics spray nozzles. So I'm going to use this for my thieves cleaner. And it came with two of them. So I figure I can make up different concentrations of thieves cleaner if I want to. The other one, you can see this. It says beauty for you. This is a very pretty box, isn't it? So from these I'm going to be hosting a Make It and Take It class where we're going to make roller bottles full of essential oils. So here they are. Now for some reason I thought the ones I got were amber colored and these are blue, but they're pretty, aren't they? I'm wondering if we open it up. There's the bottle, and they should have the rollerball filaments in here as well. Yep. This is a tool for taking the roller balls off, this little plastic thing. That's what I decided to get with these ones. And here's, you can see the metal roller ball. Oh, it's not in focus. And the plastic stopper thing. So I am pretty excited about that, and I believe that they come with like extra ones, so enough for each bottle extra, as well as these pretty labels so I can write down exactly what, and these are stickers. So on to my Young Living order, which I am super excited about. So Young Living shipping has been kind of slow the last few months, but this one came a lot faster. Okay, so here we are unpacking the Young Living box. It says that an item is on back order, so I removed the packing slip already, so I don't want to show everybody my address. Each one comes with a copy of the Essential Edge, which is like their newsletter monthly. So we'll see what's in the box. So first, I got the Cents Shampoo to try out for my kids, of course. I also got the Cents Lotion. My girls have dry skin living here in Colorado. And also for my kids, this month I decided to try out the Cents Mighty Vites in the natural wild berry flavor, which I believe is the only flavor they have. So this is their multivitamins, their kids' multivitamins. And then here I have the oils. It's kind of cool how they come in these little tubes to keep them from breaking. There they go. A little crazy. Okay, so first one is the peppermint. This is the loyalty order because I've been on Essential Rewards for 3 months now. So this is a freebie. So I get a free peppermint just for being on Essential Rewards, which is a minimum of $50 per month. And that's consecutive months. This one is another freebie. This is Sclerescence. This is because my order this month on ER was 100 PV, or point value, basically about $100. So I got the Sclerescence as a freebie, and I've heard some good things about this oil. So be looking forward to try it out. And both of those are Vitality, which means that you can, they're for dietary use. That's pretty cool. Okay, the next one is cedarwood. I am so excited for this cedarwood. Like super excited. I actually got this as a gift this last Christmas for someone, and I felt really jealous getting it as a gift for somebody else, and so now I got my own bottle of cedar wood, and I've heard that it smells really good diffusing it along with orange, and that's the other one. So I'm excited because now I have orange, lime, and lemon as far as my citrus oils. And I've heard that orange is a very uplifting scent, and it is really good together with the cedar wood. So I am super excited. I will let you know how I like all these products because the only product that I've tried before is the Peppermint Vitality, because that comes in your premium starter kit. So after I use these products, I'll let you know how I enjoy them. And I've been writing reviews on the products on my Facebook page, so be sure to check out the link below to find my Facebook page and follow, so you can learn about the different products as I use them. And then I'm hoping to be reviewing some products on video and uploading that video soon about some different products. I will be using these for my Make It and Take It class, and these roller bottles, and we'll be making some oil blends. So I'll let you know how that goes, like what oil blends we will be making. And what's cool is they also came with a coupon, so I can order more, which I am super excited about. And I also noticed that my two glass bottles from Sally's Organics, I'm excited about those, also come with caps. So if you wanted to store a little bit longer term your stuff without the nozzle attached, they have the separate caps, 2 of them. So that's pretty cool. So I'll let you know what I think about these roller balls and what I think about these after I've been using them for a while with the Thieves Cleaner. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoy hauls. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.